Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Brown Barbell Club. Today we are doing strongman movements. The first strongman movement that we are doing is Sandbag Carry. This sandbag weighs around 155 pounds and we plan to walk with this weight for around 100 or 125 feet. Harman is using the same weight, but he has more sets than me. The second event in the strongman day is cleaning the circus dumbbell. This circus dumbbell weighs around 125 pounds. The goal is to press this 125 pound circus dumbbell, but right now we are just practicing how to clean this circus dumbbell. We are planning to make introductory videos on how we learn these strongman movements. These strongman movements are pretty much odd as compared to other powerlifting movements because the object that you are trying to lift is a pretty odd shape and you need a technique with which you can lift this weight.
You ready? Yeah. Go!
Next event is farmer walk. I love training with these farmer handles because these farmer handles build strength in your traps and in your grip as well.
Athlete ready?
Yeah.
Go!
I'm keeping these training session videos quite raw. The goal is to show you how we train, what are our experiences, and what are the issues that we face during training. The goal is to train no matter what.
Athlete ready?
Yep. Go! Athlete ready? Go. Come on. Athlete ready? Go.
Athlete ready? Go. Come on, Helen. Keep fighting. Come on.
Athlete ready?
Yeah.
Go. Got it. Easy, easy, come on. You got it. Athlete ready? Go. Easy, got it. Easy, easy, you got it. Come on, you got it. Don't give up, don't give up. Reset. Face upper. You got it. Come on, you got it.